Guys, nandito si Angel Jam sa Wilcon Balintawak Depot. Dito yung una namin na showroom. We had a small showroom inside way back 2004 to 2005. GT Stoneworks is known for finishes sa walls and floors like this. Meron tayong bago ngayon. Ito yung tinatawag natin na Stone Flex. Stone Flex, why? Because it is really flexible, like this one. Ayan. So, nandito na siya ngayon sa Wilcon. Marami tayong mga iba't ibang choices na pwede niyong pagpilian na usong-uso ngayon tulad nitong travertine. And this one, the rammed earth. Ito, nakikita natin to sa malls. Ito yung mga other choices ng ating mga Stone Flex products. Ayan, we have this. And meron din yung walang color. So this one, you can stain it with colors or yung ating coatings na Eternia. Guys, I'm inviting you here to see our finishes dito sa Wilcon Balintawak. And magkakaroon kami ng workshop soon here. Learn and Earn. Dadalhin natin dito sa Wilcon ang Learn and Earn workshop. Kaya see ya!